from that, we have this thing called Parking Assistant, which is a bit different than the previous iterations as well. I think maybe I'll demo it to make it easier. Okay. So what you do is like, because all parking lots have two sides to it, right?
Yep.
You want the car to park on that side. You position your car closer to the left.
Okay, like those 5 Series over there. Okay.
Correct. So you position your car closer to where you want the car to park. Then after that, you just press on this button. Okay. So this is what you call Parking Assistant is now on. So what you do is you just drive. So you just drive past a lot, and then this will start beeping. So what they're doing is that the sensors is actually picking up suitable lots for the car to actually park itself.
This is the same feature in the previous generation.
Yes, but it's just that how the method it is a bit different. Yeah. Okay. So once they find a lot, they actually like prompt all of this. And if they don't, right, they actually basically ask you to just keep on. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go one round because of the M850 at the back. I don't know.
Okay. Is it an M5?
Yeah, it is an M5, but it's just a display M5.
Okay. But still an M5.
The previous one you need to change gear lah. Now you can just do everything.
So now let's say I want this spot. So what I do is I'll just press on it, and then from there, all I do is just control the brakes. The steering wheel, the gear change, everything will be done by the car. So technically I can remove my feet totally off the brakes and you'll be moving very fast. So but what I like to do is just to control the brakes, just to make sure that it
give more time for you to calculate.
Yeah, correct.
So after you tap the P, the car does everything.
Yeah. So now the car is adjusting itself. So all I do is just press on the brakes and just to control the speed of the car. But the car actually cannot read the line markings. What it does best is actually measure the distance between, for example, two cars. And then it will try to position itself closer in the middle between two cars. But here just nice, maybe because of like the pillar or something like that. But it can somehow...
Yeah, I was going to say, because there's a gap here, but it managed to position itself.
So sometimes it works in a way that it actually is just nice, but sometimes you find that maybe it encroaches to the parking lot next to it.
I see.
It maybe because, you know, the way the cars next to it is parked. Okay. And if the car park is saying it a bit, right? Your car might be also saying it. Yeah.
So it basically measures the distance between you and the next car, but it doesn't detect the lines.
Yes, correct. So sometimes you find the car is actually going to, but it's not just nice, it's parking exactly.
Yeah, actually, I'm quite curious. How does it know that, you know, it's supposed to be this distance?
Perfect demo.
Yeah, like how does it know it's supposed to be this distance from that car, but it's supposed to be like so far away from this one, which is quite smart. Yeah. Okay.
So that's parallel. The parallel will work the same. I'll try to see whether we can find one. Usually they will identify this as a parallel one for some reason because of the space that you use here.
Yep. Okay.
So if it does, I'm just going to select one just to show you. Okay. So now, so parallel you can identify it because it looks different. The vertical looks like that, and the parallel will look like horizontal. Okay. So one thing good is because they can identify both a parallel and a vertical. So when you press on it, they ask you to choose. Do you want a parallel or do you want a vertical? So right now we're trying for a parallel. So we just press on it, and same thing. We'll just okay, your door is not.
Okay.
Actually, if you realize, right, your door wasn't fully locked, right? It wasn't fully closed, right? You can tell that the light actually was blinking orange.
Was it?
Yeah. So that's just to let you know that the car is
okay.
That's how I could identify it was actually your car. Your door.
Okay. This car is too smart already.
Okay, now once it's okay, so we just press on it, and now it's okay.
Is it like a bit unsettling because it's changing gears for you?
Yeah,
because
sometimes
last time when the previous generation you have to shift yourself.
Correct.
So I feel a bit more in control.
Yeah, but in a way you're still in control because if you press on the brake or if you just touch the steering wheel, they will actually cancel or at least put it on pause. So you still have like the control to override this feature. Yeah. So one thing that is special about parallel parking assist is that there is actually an option for the car to actually assist you on your way out. So if you press, for example, parking assist again, then you press on this particular arrow, right? What it does is the car will maneuver itself in a way that's easier for you to get out of the lane or get out of the lot. So they will actually steer the wheel for you. So all you do, right, is now the car's in drive. All you do is just literally drive off. So I can literally just not touch anything and the car would. So they will steer your car in a way that makes it easier for you to just move off a lot. Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Your steering inputs for the past 50 meters. Sorry, you just remember your steering inputs, and then once you press on reversing assistant, what it does is it will actually just backtrack the path for you for the past 50 meters. So remember, if you put the car to stop here, right?
Okay.
This especially works if, let's say, you were to drive on a narrow road and you don't want to like reverse and keep on turning back, or you don't want to do a 3-point turn, for example. So you just put the car to reverse, and then you press on the reversing assistant.
Okay.
And then what it does is it will literally just reverse for you for the 50 meters that we just went through. So if you were to do a spirally kind of way, the car will also just follow exactly the same path.
Okay.
Because what it does is literally just backtracks for you. You are still responsible to observe your surroundings.
Sorry, when will this, what was the real life use for this feature?
Let's say, you know, sometimes in a narrow road, you just drive straight. And then there is no like way for you to actually do a 3-point turn or something like that. So you can actually just use this to just backtrack your way.
Oh, it's very scary. It's so
scary.
near
Correct.
It's so near the A5. So it was just now you were driving like you were just turning the wheel randomly, right?
Yeah.
So
This A5 was here before.
yeah, it was here before. So it will just follow the exact same pattern as your inputs just
You will
now.
remember how my steering, all my steering inputs. Then you will just try to backtrack for the past 50 meters. But if there is, for example, you're still responsible for the surroundings.
Yep, understand.
So if that's, for example, you realize like now, right? And if you, let's say, you could have use, I think it will still.
It will still go lah.
Yeah, it will still go. But that's a risk. I think I'll probably steer that way. But I'm not going to take a risk.
Yeah.
So you're still responsible to actually brake if, let's say, there's a new obstacle that comes close or something like that.
Understand. Okay.